It is always a great honor when we pause to recognize the businesses in our state, and certainly we have a wonderful one here today. To speak to the resolution and recognize our special guest, it is now my distinct honor to call upon the senator from the 29th.
Well, thank you, Mr. President. It is indeed a privilege and an honor to have the opportunity today to recognize TydenBrooks. I've had the opportunity to tour their manufacturing facility here in our state. It's incredible to see all the different things that are made in Georgia and all the different industries that they touch. It is truly an incredible company that is at a leading edge of innovation in their industry. I do want to recognize today Glenn Gardone, the Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing, Tricia Arton, the Senior Vice President of Marketing, Kelvin Kennedy, a Product Manager, William McKean, a Marketing Communication Manager, and I'd like to introduce you to Phil Whitley, a Vice President of Sales, who will be offering a few remarks this morning.
Okay, thank you. Good morning. As a member of TydenBrooks organization for a little bit over 40 years, it's an honor to be here today in this chamber. I'm proud to accept this recognition on behalf of our 145 years in business. I'd like to thank the Georgia State Senate for recognizing TydenBrooks' commitment to the state and to our nation. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Well said. 40 years. That's impressive. That's great.